My name is Ralf Lehmann. I'm part of Global Solution Management for Industry 4.0 and Connected Manufacturing. I am pleased to demo you how we can easily connect and integrate the automation devices in the industrial Internet of Things space to sub-connected manufacturing solutions. How can you start with Industry 4.0 projects today? How can you enable transparency, efficiency, interoperability on the production floor in context with ERP data? The actual shop floor shows a wide range in respect to technology. Beside the heterogeneity of systems, mainly three cases apply. First, smart technology is available and devices can be connected. Best cases supporting industry standards. Second, the running production lines have sensors installed, but you cannot open the system and access data, as the line supplier warranty would expire. To get this data or to get additional data needed, it may be beneficial to install additional smart sensors. Third, as the life cycle of assets can be easy up to 20 years old, there are no digital smart sensors available at the line. In order to get smart data, sensors must be retrofitted. Once smart sensors are available, the challenge of simple connectivity is a hurdle. SAP and IFM have defined with the connectivity port a simple way to integrate own and third-party sensors and thereby downsize integration costs from several thousand euros to a few hundred euros per machine. Let's have a look at the Industrial Internet of Things demo. We have three smart IFM sensors: a flow meter, a temperature sensor, and a laser distance sensor. They are connected via I/O link protocol to the AY1020. This box sends the values to the connectivity port, which includes direct communication to an agent in sub-plant connectivity. The update parameter is set to 3000 milliseconds. With the connectivity port, all IFM sensors can be connected, but also sensors from other vendors are supported. In the self-service composition environment from SAP Manufacturing Integration and Intelligence, you can design via what you see is what you get, a role-based dashboard. I have already a page prepared with some data, and I'm showing you how simple the dashboard can be populated by drag and drop. Let's assign to the lower fields the historical values for the distance and temperature sensors over the timeline. When I now interact with the sensors and I change some of the values, you can see the update in the chart. I am changing some temperature values by cooling and warming the sensor. I change the values of the laser distance sensor by interacting with my hand. The flow meter sensor delivers values when air is flowing through the sensor tube. This is how simple we can visualize and make use of shop floor data in the SAP Manufacturing Execution Suite. The simple visualization of data is not enough. With SAP MRI, we create out of data information as we put them into the business context with quality management, plant maintenance, and production execution. When we talk about Industry 4.0, we also talk about lot size 1. SAP offers with the SAP Manufacturing Execution Suite the applications to realize lot size 1 processes. This requires bidirectional integration between the SAP ERP system, SAP Manufacturing Execution System, and the automation layer in order to manage individual parameters and make them available to the machine. In my second dashboard, I want to show you this bidirectional communication, including some logic processing. On the top left area, you find production order information from SAP ERP system. When processing orders, we need to capture data for confirmed and scrap quantity that is posted back into SAP ERP. For this demo, we simulate the individual parameters with the value light bar threshold. This value is used to control and trigger some automation functionality. When the measured value from the laser distance sensor lies below the threshold value, the trigger is sent to the PLC to switch on the light bar. If the measured value is above the threshold, the light bar is switched off again. This is showing how the SAP Manufacturing Execution Suite integrates with the automation layer. SAP supports open standards like OPC UA for the communication with the machine layer. The dashboard further shows some more analytics related to production shift and shows detailed graphics enabling transparency in operations. In the top right area of the dashboard, you find KPI elements from SAP MII, as for example the distance, the temperature and energy consumption. The dashboard shows all role-based information to execute operations properly. You can start today. Integrate your shop floor with the office floor. Run simple with SAP Connected Manufacturing.